stay in my reflection in the mirror. And why am I doing this to myself? Losing my mind on a tiny error. I never left her in me on the shelf. No, 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 no. Don't lose who you are. In a blue on the star. Saying is deceiving, dreaming is believing. It's okay not to be okay. Sometimes it's hard to follow your heart, but this don't mean you're losing. Everybody's bruising. Just be true to who you are. Brushing my hair, do I look perfect? I've forgotten what to do to fake tomorrow. The more I try, the less it's working. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause everything inside me screams no, 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 no. Yes, no, egos, factions, like boom, just go and leave me alone. Real talk, real life, good love, good night, with a smile, with a smile. Thank you.
And the crowd goes wild. All right.
Okay, who should we start with?
We can start with, we'll go with Keri first.
Fire! I felt it. I don't know if I know that song. I don't know if I've ever heard it, but I felt that. Can I curse? Probably not. But I felt that. I felt it. As if it were your song. You made it yours.
Fally, qu'est-ce que t'en as pensé, Frangin?
En tout cas, je sais pas quoi dire. Vous savez, je comprends même pas ce qu'elle est en train de dire. Mais en la voyant, je sais très bien que c'est une chanson qui fait, tu vois, gestuelle. Vraiment, respect.
All right.
Okay.
Right?
I was actually waiting for her, to be honest. I saw her in rehearsal, and I wanted to see what she'd do when she got out here and performed, and she's incredible.
Incredible. Thank you so much.